Hey guys! So yesterday I decided to make another batch of soap, and usually I make hot processed soap, but I decided I was going to try some cold processed soap. It's been a while, and I put everything together, and as soon as I added the lye water to my oil mixture, it seized on me. I've been making soap for years and I've never had a batch seize on me, so it was quite surprising, and I was in a bit of a panic because, as you can see here, I've got quite a few oils in there. The oils that I used was organic shea butter, cocoa butter, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and French green clay, and I scented it with rose, and the rose scent was the culprit, I'm guessing. But anyway, it seized on me, and I was in such a panic. But I just decided to throw it all together in a crock pot, and hope for the best. And as you can see, it's curdled really badly here. So I couldn't use my stick blender because it was just too thick. So I've just gone in here with a whisk, and I'm just doing my best to whisk it all together. I don't care at this stage about bubbles. I'm just trying to blend it because it was really lumpy, and I'm really lucky that it softened up a little bit because it was really hard in the bottom of the container, and it's actually quite workable here. So at this stage, it's been on for only about 5 minutes, and the crock pot at this stage is actually still warming up. So here you can see it's actually gelling quite nicely. It's been in the crock pot for probably about 20 minutes, and at this stage I can absolutely tell that I've saved the batch, and I'm a happy camper, thank goodness. It's been cooking for about 50 minutes, and I'm going to take it out of the crock pot and go ahead and pop it in some molds in a minute. I could probably cook it for a little bit longer, but to be honest with you, it was getting late and I really wanted to get home. I had a half-hour drive to get home. So I managed to get it into my molds. It's not looking quite as beautiful as I wanted it to, but that's okay. It's all right. And this is 15 hours later the next morning, and I've come in and it's time to cut it up, and I'm actually quite pleased with the results. As you can see in a minute, it actually turned out really well. Anyway, look, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time around. Bye.